Brought to light a greater need for mental health resources for our community and for both kids and adults. It's why the Lindner Center of Hope is really looking to expand now. As WCPO 9 News reporter Marielle Carbone explains, leaders say right now it cannot keep up with demand.
The president here says the calls have increased by 30%, and most days the center is at or near capacity. That is why leaders are banking on a new capital campaign to help fund an expansion of the facility.
There truly is an unbeatable need. The pandemic has put a lot of stress on people, families, communities.
And the numbers prove it. According to the World Health Organization, anxiety and depression increased by 25% during the first year of the pandemic. The Lindner Center of Hope in Mason felt the impacts firsthand.
The number of calls that we receive are more than we have the capacity to care for on most days.
Which is why the center is looking to expand.
When we say that the Lindner Center of Hope is a jewel in this greater Cincinnati community, I know.
Wednesday, the center announced a new capital campaign to raise $30 million. The money will help attract more mental health professionals, renew and upgrade facilities, build a dedicated assessment center, and add more residential space.
The fact of the matter is we're out of space and our available providers' schedules are full. So we need two things really. We need to be able to hire more providers and we need more space to treat people in.
Right now, the center has 80 beds for overnight stays, and doctors provide 150 to 200 outpatient visits a day.
It's extremely important. Our mental health affects us to the core. It affects our personalities, and getting the right kind of treatment early gives people back to their families and their communities. It lets them be themselves and be their best self.
And so far, the center has already raised $6 million. As far as the timeline for the expansion, it's not entirely clear yet, but Crosby hopes that it can happen within the next few years. Reporting in Mason, I'm Marielle Carbone, WCPO 9 News.